it's Lisa. Today I want to give my red Viv his first nut. Let's see. Do you want to have it? It's his first nut. He has never ever tried to have a nut before. It's gonna take some time, boy. Yeah. No. Don't give up. Don't give up. You go up too easy. Come on. Just eat it. Come. Here, try. Yeah. Be a good boy. Come. No. Here. 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 Don't you want it? Don't you want it? It's a good nut. It's good. It's good. You're not so easy to impress. Alright. Alright. Ugh. Ugh. Alright. Come. See? I've opened it for you. It tastes very bad. See? Your first nut. Come on. Come on. I'm sure it tastes good or something. Actually don't know. Here, take it. Take it. You deserve it. Seriously. Don't you want it? Don't you want a nut? I just opened it for you. Come on. You know? You're not so easy to play with. But you're cute. Yeah. Well, I guess that was all. Here's the nut. Forever alone nut. And my little boy, I'm sure you don't want it? Sure? Alright, you're sure. But later I'll make a video where I tell you guys how to cook hair for a male rat. And there's actually not so much difference between a female and male rat's hair. But I think I'll do it anyway, because then you know the difference between having a male and a female, or males and females, because you know they can go alone so good. Yeah. Say goodbye.